It's about 25 minutes up Thunder Knob Trail from the campsite. Should have a couple photos we took right at the start when we were crossing the creek in the lake, or the creek that feeds into the lake, which is into Diablo Lake. But there's a few benches here at this point, and sit and rest and enjoy the view. Okay, we finally got out to the end of Thunder Trail here on Thunder Knob. Took about 45 minutes to get here. It's downhill all the way from here to the lake if you want to continue on. But this is one of the better viewpoints. So I don't know if we're going down or not. We'll see. About 45 minutes to this point though.